spent less than $100 on a PC and an actual game. I'm going to show you how to turn your grandpa's PC into a budget gaming PC. You got to start living the life you want, even if it starts with a level 1 PC with no RGB. I picked this PC up for like $50, and it's glorious. And it's a Barracuda drive, so that's not bad at all. I'm just gonna move this old drive up to the top storage, and we're gonna let the SSD sit on the bottom of the computer case because there's not really a place to mount it. The holes don't line up, and I could buy an adapter, but no, this is a budget PC, gosh dang it. You gotta go with only what you need. Now it's time to actually make this into a gaming PC. The graphics card I went with is a 2GB 1030 GPU. I got it locally for like $20 for building a budget PC. This PC is ready to game and it costs like $98. You don't believe that it can play games? Let me show you. Here's Dead Island Riptide, and I've got these two zombies trying to break into my base. And for those of you who love strategy games, here's Civilization 6. We've got this guy overlooking what he's built and looking so proud of it, just like you should be. You built something from nothing, and that's what life's all about. Taking what you got, making it better.